Greetings Biotin, and welcome to our very quick tutorial on how to sign up for JoVE, our video textbook. So you received a link that would be in Canvas as well as our welcome email, and go ahead and just follow that link. And that if you also just went to the direct page, there is a little number on there as well. So you want to go ahead and use that one for our semester. And when you're signing up, make sure that you're using the SJSU ID and whatever name is going to be the name that you have in Canvas. So make sure that those two things match so that I can, because I'm going to do by hand in terms of the scores after each unit. So we're going to go ahead and just press Get Started. This is going to say, is it Biology 10, The Living World with Mary Poffenroth? That's correct. Press continue. Really straightforward process. At this point, then you're going to put in your name and your institutional email, which would be your sjsu.edu email, and then create a password. So for this, you can either choose to continue directly to the payment, or if you want to do the 2 weeks trial, that will then roll over into the full class. You'll just have to pay for it. So if you're not sure if you're going to keep the class, or you just want to double check that all of your scheduling is going to work out, then you can go ahead and do the 2 weeks. Just at the end of that 2 weeks, if you're still in the class, you will need to pay for the textbook. So this is going to be important because we're going to do about half of our homework inside of JoVE, and the video textbook will be in lieu of reading a traditional textbook that you may have done in other classes. So after this, I'm not going to go ahead and do it because it's pretty straightforward and I already have an account. So just make sure that you go through, put in your information that matches what you have in Canvas and San Jose State, and then choose one of these, and then you'll just kind of go through like a normal cart style situation. So if you have any questions at all, definitely let me know, and otherwise go ahead and sign up as soon as you can, and just send me an email if you have any questions.